Another question we often get, what if I have multiple ideas for my online course? I would say it's a good thing. It's not a bad thing. If you're an entrepreneur and you probably can do so many different things, most importantly, the same topic can be presented in so many different ways. And that's actually stage number one, what we do with you. When we have that first discovery call, when you decide to work with us, we'll listen to you, we'll listen to your ideas, and then we go out, do research, we assign homework for you to do research, and then we come back and we together decide which topic aligns with your expertise and which topic would be the most successful in our opinion based on the research that we do together. And then we pursue that topic because your ideas need to match with what's needed out in the world. If your idea is, teach people how to repair shoes and there's just no market anymore because everybody just buys new shoes, we would not pursue that. But maybe we can pivot a little bit and teach them how to maintain their shoes, how they can take care of their shoes, the shoes last longer. Maybe that's a way better topic. Still aligns with the expertise, but there's actually need because we did research, there's a lot of blog articles, a lot of videos that people actually watch on YouTube, and then we say, you know what, that topic will be a lot more successful. So if you have multiple ideas, don't worry about it. It's a good thing to have, and we will help you through our very, very clear process to clarify which topic we actually should pursue. And then once we commit, we're gonna create content, produce, and launch that course. So if that kind of gives you more clarity, click that link, book that call, and we cannot wait to work with you.